friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you a few kurti dupatta matching combination set. These we wear on daily basis, so it's very casual and comfortable. You can make it up in many different ways, like wearing a heavy contrast color dupatta with simple plain kurtis or vice versa. Pairing printed kurtis with plain simple dupattas. There are n number of ways you can style them with. So here I am showing you few trendy designs of kurti dupatta set which are in nowadays. So please have a look on them. So I hope you like these beautiful combination of kurti dupatta set. If you want more such videos, then please comment down below in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.